Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese in a blender. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of raw cashews, half a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. These form the creamy base. Also, have a pinch of salt and any other seasonings ready. This simple method creates a delicious, versatile cheese spread quickly and easily, perfect for various dishes. Now, let's get blending. Add your soaked cashews, water, lemon juice, and salt to the blender. If you're adding garlic powder or nutritional yeast, include them now. Blend on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency with no cashew pieces remaining. Stop and scrape down the sides of the blender once or twice to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Once blended, pour your creamy mixture into a small dish or mold. For a firmer cheese, you might add a thickener like agar-agar before blending. Now, cover it and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the cheese to set properly. You can also stir in fresh chives, dill, or a dash of smoked paprika for unique flavor variations before it chills. Your delicious homemade blender cheese is now ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 5 days. This versatile cheese is wonderful on crackers, as a sandwich spread, or even as a dip for fresh vegetables. It's a simple, healthy alternative to store-bought options, offering great flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.